Alright, it's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. It's a wrap on the movie Sound of Two.
Nice one. Nathaniel, great job, man.
Today has been great. We got all the equipment to the studio. We have done the pre-rig. Took us a good 4 hours, but I think we are quite happy with what we have right now. The actors will be here tomorrow at 8 o'clock, so got to get some sleep.
This is day one. I want to introduce Arun here and Vivek. And they're basically the guys who are going to support our entire 3-day shoot in terms of taking care of everything on unit.
So after that, then we'll just look at the individual sections.
So we split this into 4 sections, right? One is, from the beginning all the way up till before you start talking about Gabriella. So just before the plot is confused, that's one section where it's just like a state of confusion for him.
I am Stuart Richard. I play the role of Adam on Sound of Two.
A1E, take one.
It's been very challenging for me to play the role.
Who are you? Where's my wife and son?
I've met a lot of men today who wonder the same thing.
No, this is just a routine cross-check.
What routine cross-check? Who are you people?
My name's Ashley William Griffiths, and I play the Shadow Man in The Sound of Two.
Do you believe in hell, Adam?
It's been a thoroughly delightful experience with a fantastic crew.
Roshan over here, who's on makeup. He's doing a brilliant job on makeup. So, good stuff. Day one. It's pretty good. I mean, we've got some really good shots. I think we're pretty much on schedule, and I think our day is going to go well. So, yeah.
Great to use Canon also. So great lenses. We got a lot of good equipment from them. So yeah, fantastic.
Don't think he's ever lit a candle before, has he? Come on, Keith.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, bro, from Team Sound of Two.
With the trusty knife, guys.
Alright, let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Dig in, bro.
I play the part of Brightman.
One action.
One of your books is captured in the background. So how did Gabriella have one of your unpublished books? It's been absolutely marvellous, wonderful. One of your books was captured. And I'm just happy I've been a part of it.
EB, take one. 3, 2, 1, action.
She was in your room, in your house.
Yep, so as you can see, it's an accident scene we're trying to simulate at a farmhouse very far away. It'll be okay.
What's up?
Yeah, so are you, what's it looking at, like at the moment?
Dead bodies.
Oh?
I see dead bodies.
Oh.
Oh, no, that one moved.
Lovely shoot, man. It's gonna be amazing cut.
3 days, 5 months, Mr. Sachin, from 55 seconds to I don't know how long this film length is going to be, but I can tell you this much. Sachin had this vision, and he's like, I have to get this guy from LA. I was like, man, LA, all the way LA. But you know what? I have to say it was totally worth it, because if it wasn't for, I wouldn't want it for anyone else. One guy, first 80, I can tell you, it doesn't seem like it's his first time, but he really, where is he? He really nailed it. He really nailed it.
Thank you, man.
Thank you so much. Serious, great stuff. And everybody else, thank you so much, but stay tuned.